Hello everyone. Today we're going to see a tutorial video about live worksheets. What are live worksheets? Well, it's a website that every teacher should know about it. Teachers can use live worksheets to show the students interactive worksheets and create workbooks with them. If you want to find some worksheets to access with your students, you just write the subject. For example, I can reach of any topic right here in worksheets, but let me show you first how can you access to the worksheets. It is very easy right here. Well, you have to type right here. You have to type the official site, and then this is the screen that you will see. Right here is the access for the students and the access for the teachers. If you want to save your work or save the worksheet that you've been using, you have to write your email and a password right here. And then when you have an access, when you have a teacher access right here, all your worksheets that are being using will be saved and you can share as in any time. Well, right here is very easy. For example, you're looking for a worksheet about verb to be. You just type right here verb to be, and all the worksheets for verb to be will be shown right away. This is a very useful tool because you can also print them. If you don't want, you can share the link with your students right here. As you can say, add to my workbook, download a PDF file, embed it my website or blog, add to my Google Classroom, add to Microsoft Teams, and share through WhatsApp. That's why it is very, very useful. You can send the link or they can work online and then send them back to you to check their answers. You can create also right here listening exercises by loading up some videos, and then also you can create you can upload videos right here. If you can see right here, you have interactive sheets, and right here there's an option for you to make interactive sheets your own. Right here you have all the sheets, but you can create your own worksheets. So I hope they will be very useful for you to use because this is a tool to use. Thank you very much. Have a good day.